Hi everybody, hello from sunny Colorado. It's hard to believe it's still in the 90s pretty much every day, even though we've been back into our brick and mortar schools now for a few weeks. The heat just keeps coming and I like the heat, so I'm not complaining. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite online tools for helping with AP statistics. So I'll put myself over in the corner here. This website is called stattrek.com. This is good for beyond AP statistics. Actually, there's a lot of really great resources here. It was first built to support AP statistics, but there's some other things too. So there are things like online tutorials if you're finding you might just need a little bit different explanation about something or another look at something. That's a really good place to start. One of the ones I really like a lot is the survey sampling. So if you didn't see that, I clicked on that link over in the left-hand navigation pane. The reason I like this so much is because sampling seems like something that should be really, really simple to understand, but it's not. There's so many ways to do it wrong, and that will affect your results. And then it affects your statistical analysis of whatever you've sampled. So it also tells you here in the site kind of what level of understanding you should have. So in this case, a high school statistics course or AP stats. So you all are in the great place. And it takes you through some really cool things. It helps you with the sample size calculator. And helps you go through some sample problems just if you're needing a little bit extra help in finding some of those things. And then over on the left, you've got all the different types of samples that can come up. So I think this is a great supplement to your coursework that you're doing with Laurel Springs, just to reinforce some of those really difficult concepts. A couple reminders this week. Remember, if you have not yet signed in to the link where you're going to register for your AP exam, make sure that you get that taken care of. We want to make sure that we have all of you in there and in there appropriately. That's new this year, so if you run into any problems at all, let me know. And just keep on keeping on. If you're getting stuck anywhere, please let me know that. If you're going to be away for a bit because you're traveling or you're otherwise occupied, let me know that so that I know where you are. Let's just keep those lines of communication open. Remember, my office hours are 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and then again 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, and that's Monday through Friday. If those times don't work for you, remember you can always email me or give me a phone call, and we'll find another time to connect. That's all for today. Have a great week.